Well, mildew, we work, well, in the beginning, when we start, it was only with the cooper, yes. And we can do it with cooper, but for example, now that we have more, we learn more about also biodynamic and all of this, we also use some plant tisanes for example, to reduce the cooper level. Because we try to use the minimum, one of the practice we have is to use also tisanes plants to spread in the vines. But the basic, the most important product is the cooper.
What sort of teas are you using?
The tisanes we use in English. The names, I don't know the names in English. We use cavalinha, I don't know what it is in English, I don't know the name.
We won't, yeah.
It's mentioned that you use a combination of things, copper, sulfur,
sulfur,
CLG, clay, and tea.
Yes, this clay, for example, we use clay to protect from the botrytis, because the clay, it's when we put clay, for example, in the skin of the grapes, the clay makes a kind of protection skin, and this is very good to prevent from the botrytis, and it's one of the things we use. It's clay, yes.
And why do you use the tea blends? What is their purpose?
The tea, it's a kind of coadjuvant. Well, the word.
Is it more in the soil or more on the vine?
It's in the vine. Well, in that case, when we are talking about mildew, it's in the vineyard. It's to spread in the leaves and in the fruit. Yes, it's a kind of. It helps also the protection of the plants, and it stimulates also the plants. We use it also in the soil, but this is not for the mildew. It's from other aspects of the farming process.
And how about the CLG? What is that? Why did you choose to use that?
It's also they have a lot of nutrients also for the soil. One of the things that it's important for in terms of we try to have our vineyards. We have a lot of life there. We have a lot of herbs and plants. It's a very living body. We have the vines, and we have all the forests surrounding the vines, and a lot of small bushes, small trees, and a lot of plants. And one of the things it's very important for the grapes is to have a very good soil, a soil that have all the nutrients that elements that the grapes need to in terms of nourishment. Yes, and we try to have a very good balanced soil and a very good living soil, that all these living that the plant can be in a very good environment to produce good grapes, and in terms of richness and in terms of aromas and nutrients, all of these, if we have a very good soil, the plant and the grapes will be much better, and they can express much better all these elements that the roots found in the soil. Well, it's a little difficult to explain in English, but
so